Hi, this is Victor. I am going to tell you what are the three major mistakes that my student has made during the refresher lesson and some of the traffic rules on this video clip. Number one mistakes. We are not allowed to lane change at the double white line. Mistake number two. Look at the lane you are turning to at the front once you decided to lane change. This is to avoid abrupt lane changing. Please take note of the bus lane timing before entering. Mistake number three. Vehicle stopping too near to the front instead of stopping before the white indicating line. If this is the first time you're watching this video, please subscribe to us and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of our video in the future. Thanks for watching.